doing the Audi S5 V8 front brake and sensor. 21mm lug nuts. Take off 21mm takes off your lug nuts. Actually, they use a star bit with the 21mm. You get that off. Inside here, there's two number 13s. One there. One there. I'm gonna take those out. Alright, so I removed both number 13s. There's your sensor. You want to unroute it from your caliper and your bleeder valve. It unplugs right there. And then you're going to remove this caliper. Sometimes those sensors break, but it's okay. That's why we have a new one. There's a clip here. Just pry down on it, pop it off. Alright, clip's been removed. Right there, there's a T30 torque. T30. Just want to get that out before we take off our caliper. Alright, caliper's been removed. I unhooked our sensor. Now you just unplug it under there. Alright, sensor's unplugged. Now behind there, there's two number 21s. One there. One there. That'll take off your caliper bracket so you can remove your rotor. T30's been removed. Caliper bracket removed. Can remove the rotor now. Alright, so on your rotor, right there's your hole. You want to line it up there on the new one for your T30. Alright, T30's installed. Install our caliper bracket and our 21s. Alright, 21s are installed and tight. We're going to plug our sensor into there. Reinstall it back in that bracket. That little notch right there. It's going to sit in there. Alright, so when you push your sensor in, you want to turn it to the side first, and go in, turn up. Alright, sensor's installed. Move your old brake pads. Alright, so this has double-sided tape. You're going to need to pry this off the caliper. This pad here. Alright, old brake pads compress. Alright, old brake pads removed. Compress your piston. Alright, new brake pad is clipped. Goes inside our piston. Move that. It's tape under there. Outside pad. Line it up with that hole right here. Alright, new pads installed. Put back on your caliper bracket. Alright, caliper reinstall. Both your 13s are in and tight. Now you're going to route your sensor around here, under your bleeder port, under here, and plug it into your brake pad. Alright, sensor's reinstalled. You gotta plug it in. Alright, I reinstalled the plug, plugged it in, put that clip back right here. Alright, clips reinstalled. Let's put back on your brake and tire. That's the Audi front brake and sensor replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit the like button. See you next time.